super excited because I'm having my first ever pop-up shop, and it's supposed to be like a small pop-up shop. So I'm thinking I want to like DIY a lot of my stuff instead of going out and spending all this money. And anyways, my shop is all about reusing materials. So why not just reuse what I have? And we're starting off with a DIY. So let's get right into this. But before we get into the video, I have a quick segment of another sustainable brand that we should help support because they're actually making a difference in our community. So a little shout out to Nail Reserve LA. They created gel polishes that are better and safer to use than a lot of other brands. And I know what you're thinking. How can you make nail polish more sustainable? They are vegan free, cruelty free, and they remove the 9 most harmful chemicals from their formulas. And I have a 50% discount code for you to use if you want to check out their website and try it for yourself. If you're someone who just likes doing your nails or is a nail technician, the discount code is Rissa_50 with a minimum of 2 products. They believe in the power of beauty and want all women and men to build their confidence no matter who they are and where they are from by giving them the best for their nails. And I don't know about you, but like I feel 10 times more confident whenever I have my nails done. The cool thing is they don't only just sell nail polishes, but they also have nail accessories, and they have a variety of more than 100 shades, and they introduce new ones every month, which is super fun for the holiday seasons. And I love how they prioritize your well-being by using the safest ingredients. As you can obviously tell, they're trying to make it that your nails are healthier even after you use the nail polish. Because I know I hate when I do my nails and they start to chip and feel super weak. These are the total opposite. They last 3 weeks chip free and keep your nails healthy. They also have a VIP subscription if you're interested with a lot of cool benefits, and if you're someone who loves doing your nails, I would definitely check this out. So don't forget to use my discount code and check out their website every month for updates on their new colors. I've had my nails done for about a week now, and they're like super shiny. I love them. And what's fun is that they can be done on your normal nail or acrylic nail, which is what I chose to do. It's super easy to use. You just put it on your nail and all you need is the lead light in order for it to dry. So the first project, I'll be fixing my racks because there's a bunch of like ugly rust stains all over it, and I was thinking it'd be fun if I added this fabric over it to give it kind of like an aesthetic look. And this is cute just to do on your own, honestly, if you wanted to. And all I did was wrap the fabric around the bar and put it until both fabrics were touching on each side. Then I marked where the fabrics were touching all the way across, and then afterwards I took my bar out and kind of remarked some of the spots. Then for seam allowance, instead of drawing it in, I just cut 1 inch away from my original line, if you can see there. So that way there's a 1/2 inch on both sides. Then I folded it and just sewed all the way across, which I do with my overlock machine, but you can do a zigzag stitch. Then mine actually came out crooked. I have no idea why. It's not even crooked. It's like twisted. But luckily my fabric is just fluffy, so hopefully like you won't notice it. But like, look how cute it is. Oh my gosh. Then afterwards, I tried putting it on my pole, and I realized I should have probably left a little bit of room. So you don't want to sew yours super tight because it's harder to put on. Leave a little wiggle room like in between. And then I realized I also had the 2 ends that I wanted to do the same with. So all I did was copy the same instructions, and since I have 2, I just cut 2 of the same one out just to do it like quickly, and then I stitched them together like I did the last one, and this is how it came out. I also realized if you're doing this, you definitely want to make your fabric longer than the bar, because if you can tell, the bar I'm holding, I didn't make it long enough, so now I'm gonna have to like make my bar shorter, which is kind of annoying. But just to let you guys know, if you want to DIY it, make sure your fabric's longer because you can just scrunch it up like in the end if you like just want to make your bar shorter. But like, look how cute it is, so aesthetic. And now we're getting into the fun part of looking through the clothes, and I'm sorry my clips are so weird looking. I filmed in vlog mode, which I didn't even know was a mode on the camera, and it like changed the whole vibe of my filming. I went through all the clothes and just seam ripped the labels out because I have a new DIY project coming up and I need all the logos. And then I wound up ironing in all my logos, and my logos are iron-ons, and the thing that sucks is I ironed all of them on and realized I didn't like the way they looked, so I have to go in and I ripped out all of them. For some reason they looked kind of like cheap to me, so I'm definitely gonna buy new sew-on tags, but that will be for like the next pop-up shop. Then I brought in bag number 2, and this one had a bunch of like cute little tops. I also got these hangers from my boss because she was throwing them away, and instead of me going out and buying hangers, I thought it'd be better to reuse hers because hers are all plastic and like matching. Then I decided to put everything on the rack kind of like in size order to kind of see like what I have going on here. And honestly, definitely going to need a second rack, which I'm happy I already have. And I got to kind of like look through all the different clothes I have, but then afterwards I completely forgot I have a huge bin of fabric. But day 1 is over. I'm tired, so this is like the huge mess I'm leaving behind. So we're gonna go into like day 2 tomorrow. It's day 2, and this one's just super short. I got all these bags from my job because they just throw them away, and I thought it'd be fun to reuse because I have all this scrap fabric. I'm just reselling as is. So instead of going out and buying plastic baggies, I just reuse this, and I'm just gonna buy a sticker and write over the sticker to hide this huge logo on it. But look how cute these little like baggies are. I love it, and I love that I got to like reuse this plastic that otherwise would have been like thrown out. And look how cute this case is that I'm holding all the fabric in. I got this at URI because someone was gonna throw it away, so I was like, aesthetic, so I'm keeping. Hey, it's day 3 of filming my process, and today's gonna be like a sewing day, and sorry that we're back with the ugly vlog mode, but I promise you next video we won't have this vlog mode because I realized what I did wrong. But I'm excited because today I'm finishing a bunch of sewing projects, and these are going to be new items that are going to be featured in my pop-up shop. I know for this video I didn't get to do that many DIYs except for the rack and reusing the plastic, but for my part 2 video I'm going to have a lot more DIYing and how I'm going to set up my whole entire stand and everything, because I only so far have bought in 2 or 3 things that only cost me about $10 for my whole entire pop-up shop. So I'm excited to post the second one and kind of show you how everything ended up coming out, even though I didn't buy a bunch of like new items. So definitely like and subscribe if you want to see more from me, more about my shop or sustainable fashion inspo. And I'm giving you guys a little sneak peek of my new items, and hopefully I get to make more, but I think this is going to be it. Definitely stay for part 2 because I'll show you guys all the new items I made for my pop-up shop because they're like really cute, and I'm like excited to sell it to you. And I definitely want you to leave comments if you've ever done a pop-up shop and how you made it as sustainable as possible, or how you made it like cost friendly, so like little tips and tricks that I can use or anyone who is doing their first ever pop-up shop can use too. And if you want any updates on the pop-up shop when I have new drops of clothing, or if I'm doing any events, because I do a lot of events with the colleges, definitely go and follow and like my Instagram page, Brooklyn Impact. It really helps that you guys like your support, your likes, your comments. It means so much to me. It motivates me to like work harder. So definitely go and check out my page and see if it's your style and if you like anything. And I guess I'll see you on my part 2 of this video of showing you how I'm setting up my pop-up stand. Bye!